Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the scapular anastomosis and the triangle of auscultation. Right, first we are discussing the scapular anastomosis. So just like the axillary artery only, this figure here, okay. So just remember now here we have the thyrocervical trunk, the superficial and deep parts of the transverse cervical artery will come. Here only deep part is important and the suprascapular artery. So what will supply the acromion and what will supply the body? This is important. What supplies the acromion? The acromial part of the thoracoacromial, the branch of the subscapular artery, circumflex scapular, okay, and a small branch from the suprascapular artery. Rest of them supply the body. That is, as the branches from the deep branch of the transverse cervical artery, okay, and the circumflex scapular, the suprascapular will supply the body, okay. Right, and here also we are finding the end arteries are formed between the small branches of the transverse cervical, the deep part, and the intercostal arteries. We are finding that there is an end artery formation. Okay, right. Now the triangle of ausculation. What is forming the triangle of ausculation? This is only important. So upper trapezius, lower the latissimus dorsi, and here the rhomboideus major. This is forming the triangle of ausculation. You are seeing there. So that is why when you pat your posterior abdomen wall, you won't feel much of pain. Okay, that's the reason there is triangle of ausculation. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.